Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to screen record on Android. So you can see I have already recording this tutorial here. So you have to just drag it and you can see more options or some options here. So if you slide left or right on your phone and you can see like this an option, okay, an option like this here you can see which is screen recorder. Then just tap on it and just do your screen record. So if you don't have this screen record option here, just go back and go to in the settings, just go to in this pen option, and maybe you have this screen record option here. Just if it here, then just drag it to in this option. So yeah, this is how you can screen record on your Android. So sometimes some Androids doesn't have this screen record option directly on some Android phones. So in this situation you have to install a third-party app. Just go for your Play Store and search for your screen recorder, and you can see so many screen recorder app here. So you can choose an app and you can install it and just use it. So yeah, this is how you can screen record on Android. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.